Lohiau spirit still cruising the winds. Show up in one dream, whisper to his braddah, Pao-ah. Hey, you gotta go Kīlauea, find my body. I stay stoned now, stuck in the fire, got its grip. Pao-ah and feel the hewa, knew something stay wrong, so we sneak one solo trip all the way to Hawaiʻi. You reach the edge of Pele's land, see Lohiau, solid rock, no breath, no beat. Pao and drop to the ground, pray loud, cry soft, one nollie of sorrow calling out through the lehu. Hiʻiaka maybe still in pool, making her way back. She hear the sound floating through the ʻāhinahina mist. Pao-ah stands strong in front the old wahine, but his heart would know the truth. He say straight, Pele, you the one, you burn on. The wahine laugh, but Pao-ah test her. Give me your hand, let me feel her touch. Fire burning, hot truth revealed. She drop her disguise, all her beauty come out, and for 3 days and nights them two stay lost, wrapped in lava love till the old ties bow. E hoʻi mai, e olahu, come back now, live again. Kia aloha ʻuhane, e hoʻi I kokino. E hoʻi mai, e olahu, come back now, live again. Kia aloha ʻuhane, e hoʻi I kokino. I went walk through the fire, Hiʻiaka went cry through the night. Lohiau wake up, no stay stone, you still get love, you know stay alone. E hoʻi mai, e olahu, come back now, live again. Can me Lohiau walking while Pao-ah dealing with fire and flame. Pele's brother can me Lohiau come sailing in from Kahiki. He's a wild like clean over the moana. He find Lohiau spirit all scattered and confused, stuff room inside his ipu, hollow.